Hey everyone, welcome to Matt's Lockpit. So as you can see in the Vice, I've been having a play with my PickAWinner Bill Bacardi Tribute lock. As you can see, the key's still heat sealed in the baggie, but as you can see, the lock is open. I've sussed it out, well and truly open, so I'm going to lock it back up and see if I can open it again for you on camera, guys. I've already had it opened and tried to make a video. I ended up picking for 33 minutes with the camera rolling and I didn't get the open. So I'm hoping this won't be so long. When it does open, I can literally do it in a minute. So hopefully we'll have a quick video. If not, it might be a half-hour motherfucker. But you know, I was saying about using a 15 thousandths. Well, I've scrapped that idea entirely and I've gone for one of my old Majestics. Big, thick, strong pick. You can literally pick down a brick wall with these things. And yeah, it's got the power necessary to open this lock. So remember that big, massive false set that we saw in the first video? Like that? Well, it's impossible to pick your way out of that. So if you fall into that, you're pretty much knackered and you've got to start from square one. But hopefully we won't run into that problem. So here we go. On 1, 2, click off 3, nothing on 4, click off 5. That false set's too deep for my liking, so we'll reset. We'll start from the back. There we go, click off 6. We've got a tiny false set there, that's what we need. 4, 3. The trick to this lock is power combined with precision. Got some crazy modifications to the core. I can't wait to get it open to gut it. Nice click off 2 there. Show you these crazy modifications, guys. What a well built lock. So much fun as well I've had into this. Five, 4, 3, 2, click off 2, click off 1 to the back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Sorry guys, got a bit of a dry throat here. Click off 5. See if we got one set. Looks it. 5, 4, 3, 2, count off 2. Using heavy tension here. But PickAWinner, man, what a funky lock. Not sure whether we got an overset there or not, but we'll keep going, we'll see what happens. Let's go to the back. What a fun lock, PickAWinner, mate. I can't wait to get this open on camera, I'm not gonna lie. I'm looking forward to gutting it. Right, I'm just gonna go for a little reset, guys. Click off 3, click off, damn, it's that big false set, so got to reset, can't go anything from there, start the back again. Right, we've got the false set of 5, the real false set this time, 3, 2, counter off 2, see if we can get on pin 1 there. Just slipped into that bloody false set. Damn you. Right. Start from the front this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. Got that slight false set off 6. I accidentally fell into that deep one again. Right, there's a slight false set. So we've come to the front this time. Go click off 2. With the you bugger. With the mods that's done to this core, guys, you've got to be so on point with your tension and so precise with your pick. Fuck's sake. Right, what are we in? 5 minutes in. Jesus Christ. Right, there's that little false set that we need again. Got a good base to work off now. Counter off 2. Come off 1. Damn you. It's literally impossible to open the lock once you get into that deep false set, guys, so I've got to reset it straight away. When it happens, there's no point of trying to persevere. You'll never get the lock open in one of those full sets. Hopefully I'll get it open so I can gut it, and bloody hell, and I'll show you why you can't get it open once it's into those full sets. Show me up here on camera, guys. Go back, see if we can set number 6, 5. You bugger. Should we try tensioning the other way, guys? Every time I've opened it so far, I've opened it clockwise. Right. Fell into that deep false set to start with. That's no good. No, I'm going to stick with clockwise. It's the way I've been opening it, so it's... The binding order is so important on this lot, guys, but actually deciphering the correct binding order isn't an easy task. See, as I said, this core is highly modded, and yeah, it makes everything hard. Feel promising about this one though. Let's go to the back. 6, 5. Be careful. 4, 3, 2, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apologies this is taking so long, guys. We're coming up to 9 minutes. Nice false set, that's what we need. I'll give it to 10 minutes. If I don't get it after 10 minutes, then I'll have to try again later. As I said, when this does open, it literally only takes a minute to open. But then when it doesn't open, you can be here forever. 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. But if you get the binding order wrong, guys, the core just dies. And you don't get any feedback off anything. to the back. When it slips into that deep false set, guys, you literally, depending on what stage of the picking you're at, you think it's open, and then your heart just drops when you know you've got to reset and undo everything you've just done. So feel 6, 5, 4, 2. Damn you. That false set, guys, it's unbelievable. 6, 5, 4 set, 3 seems to be set, counter off 2, damn you. Right guys, well, I'm going to keep going. I'm not sure whether I might even try my first ever speeding up a video, fast forwarding, I don't know. See if we can get it open now. Little false set of 5, that's what we need. Damn you. See if tensioning from up here will make a difference. Try it counterclockwise, I suppose. Already into that deep false set, it's no good. No, definitely going to go clockwise. Right, there's that little false set. So I'm going to come back to the front now. Oh, 2 set, 1 set. And we're open. Woohoo! Thank fuck for that. I told you it goes quick when it does go, guys. 13 minutes. Apologies for that, guys. But this isn't just any challenge lock. This is a PickAWinner. These things are like basically puzzles. But as you can see, that is well and truly open. So let's get around to gutting this bad boy. Show you these crazy modifications. And discover why you'll never be able to open it when you get into that full set. Not gonna lie, that took a long time. But I am happy as hell that that's going on. I probably won't upload this until tomorrow now. I've literally just put up a video, an outdoor adventure video. Just keep that in frame for you guys. Don't want to be accused of any funny business. Although the key's heat wrapped, so there's not a lot you can do. Right, so cool. Got a bit of red on the back, as I said. I'm just going to dump that down there. Try and dry my hands, guys. I'm sweating like fuck. But I'm not going to lie, I am chuffed as hell that that's open. Alright, so first things first, I think we'll unpackage the key. Check the key. But as we all know, PickAWinner is a fascinating lock maker, so I'm sure it's all going to be working all fine and dandy, just like it should. So there's the key. crazy bit in. Arrow as abloy. Pick a winner, and as I said, it was the Bill Bacardi Tribute. Cool. Works perfect, like you'd imagine. Alright, so let's gut this thing. Circlip pliers. Circlip off. Cool. Right, so let's get a shim ready. Definitely going to be using a shim on this bad boy. I don't want to risk anything. Get the key in. Turn it a good way round. I'm sure that'll be fine. See if we can get a shim in here down the bottom. I'm hoping we can. We can. Awesome stuff. Get a little follower. Right, wish me luck, guys. It's a little bit tight in there. There we go, success. And here we go. Look at this crazy core, guys. Everything did need to be picked. However, pin 6, 4 and 3 were actually overset traps. I didn't actually pick up too much that they were those overset traps. They did feel like they needed to be picked. So cool. So I'll get the key pins out and then we'll have a quick look at this core in more detail. So number 1, we've got a standard pin. Number 2, we have a standard pin. Number 3, standard. 4, standard. 5, standard. And let's see if we can get 6 out there. And 6, standard. Right, let me just tidy those up quickly, guys. Stay on track. Cool. So let's have a close look at this core. Hopefully that's focusing for you. As you can see, we got these crazy relief cuts in 1, 2 and 5. And number 6 is standard. I'm not sure if that's showing up on the camera. However, number 3 and number 4 are counterboard. Very sneaky. So they're the pins that you need to set in order to progress with this lock, and they're made very difficult to set due to that counterboring. Number 6 seems completely standard. Let me just have a feel. Yeah, 6 completely standard, but look at that. We'll come back to that in a second and I'll show you how it works. But absolutely brilliant. Pick a winner. You make some crazy locks, my friend. Right, so we've already got a little scratch on the front of this, so we know which side's the front. Cool. See if I can get this shim out. Hopefully it won't matter. Right, so let's see what we got up here. And pin 1, we've got a lovely spool. Lovely sharp spool. I'll dump them out a second, and then I'll show you how they interact with the relief cuts in a second. Number 2. Once again, a lovely spool. 3, we have a standard pin. 4, we have a standard pin. 5, lovely spool once again. 6 being held in by the shim. Pop that out. And finally, for number 6, we have a standard. Don't need to focus on that. Just knock these springs out. I'm sure they'll all be the same. Little steel springs by the looks of it. Awesome. Right, I'll give you a close-up of these, and then I'll grab one of these spools and show you how they interact with these relief cuts. So you've got nice sharp spools in 1, 2 and 5, corresponding with the relief cuts in the core. Very cool. So let me see if I can show you this correctly. If we take our core and we take one of the spools, as we can see, if you don't set this pin correctly, guys, it'll literally just slide. Look at that. Hang on, let me see if I can get that to focus for you. Look at the way that spool sits in the relief cut, guys. So once you get into that false set, there is no way that can't be pulled out. That relief cut's been cut so well that that pin cannot come out of there. It slides back and forth either way, so there's no way of getting out of that deep set. That's what I mean about PickAWinner's lock. They are crazy, guys. Look at that. So unless you set pin 1, 2 and 5 absolutely perfect and in the right order. Oh, Jesus Christ, look at that. Let me see if I can put these other ones in just to show you. I hope I'm doing this justice, guys. I'm not sure how it's turning out on the camera. I hope I'm explaining it correctly. But yeah, look at the way those spools sit in those relief cuts, guys. And they slide back and forth. They don't come out. They slide back and forth. So if you don't set it completely straight on and correctly and at the correct height, you are screwed. PickAWinner, my man. Thank you so much for sending me this lock. That was a lot of fun. Sorry the video's been so long, guys. But as you can see, that's no ordinary lock. Brilliant work. Brilliant work. So just quick another look at those pins. There we go, guys. Well, I'm going to sign off now. Thank you all for watching. Yeah, that was fun. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye now.